some lights in here, y'all. Let's get some lights up in here. God almighty. Let's get some lights up in here. That's how we do in VA, y'all. We all VA. That's how we do our VA. Ooh, ooh. That's how we do our VA. Come on. See that lift. Ooh. See how we do our VA. Oh my goodness. Oh yeah, they racing too, bro. Big rim racing. Let's go. Oh, we ain't just got them out here for prettiness. They race too. See what I'm saying? Ooh. Let's go. Clean too. Clean too, y'all. Appreciate the likes, y'all. Thank y'all for the follows. Y'all get this in my channel, y'all. Races, car shows, let's go. Let's go. Oh my goodness, look at that. Oh my goodness. It's over 3,000 vehicles at this car show, y'all. Over 3,000. Let's go. We do it big out here in VA, y'all. Out here big in VA. This plane. Oh my goodness. Let's go. Seatbelts. Oh my goodness. Let's go. We also got Dunk Master here, y'all. Do it big out here. Do it big out here. Oh my goodness. It's a race car too, y'all. Race car with the matching steering wheel. Thank y'all for the likes. Thank y'all for the follows. Let's go. Let's go. Another race car. Let's go. Race car's beautiful, y'all. We're not gonna play with them out here. Clean too. Clean. Make y'all feel like y'all at the car show. Let's go. Look at that good camera action. Gosh, so much. Look at this. Ooh. Oh my goodness, look at this. Mississippi TV. We do it big out here in VA now. Got the matching steering wheel. on that.
That damn 6-speed Buick, man.
Woo. Yeah. Appreciate the likes, y'all. We out here in VA, y'all. We out here in VA. Appreciate the likes. Appreciate the follows. Clean, in and out, y'all. Oh my goodness. That tell me clean.